How to correctly install the Qfix Frame-Gripz. Step 1. Measure the material thickness. Choosing the right plug length is crucial. A longer plug doesn't mean a stronger hold. The expansion section remains the same regardless of length. Only the non-expanding sleeve changes. The nylon plug must pass through the material you're fixing, not underneath. If placed incorrectly, the screw won't engage properly, and the plug won't expand. Step 2. Drill a clearance hole through the material you're securing. Step 3. Drill into the base material. Be sure to clean the hole thoroughly to remove any dust. Step 4. Insert the plug and secure the screw. Hammer the plug into place. Then, use a drill to drive the screw into the plug. Avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the plug and reduce holding power.